and get it happen.
No, you know, me none of them things again.
What do you mean?
No, me none of them things again.
What do you mean?
Me's a very old woman now, and it's full time to step up. Because me don't know how we can lose El Paso. Me don't know them things there.
If them things...
I don't know the paper for the yard boy and the El Paso.
Wait, I tell you. You know, some of them remember one thing that today that come out of the paper. I never remember it.
You never remember nothing yet.
Yeah.
When you remember, you never remember yet.
No, man, you see, you have so much things to do. And the church and thing and the service. And
Right, just go look at the paper boy come. And I'm going to talk about church and service. Oh, talking about service, God. I'm lovely service, God. I tell you, anyway, I never thought to stick with you.
What, dear?
Oh, yes, right. I'm going to talk about Benz and Lada. It's Lada, me driving and me a preach from the dinner, sir.
Hey, darling, the people them give me their collection to preach. And me have to find something to preach from. You understand?
So you can preach for me.
Well, if you drop night, then I say, no. No, you
You know where they come from.
Clean it. You saw the boy come?
No, first of all, complain too much, man.
Clean it.
Come talk about. And some of them, I drive Lada. I mean, my phone.
How much it is? $5. What do you mean $5? I can't believe it. No, my vagina hurt me. Why? No. Queer. Oi. Hi. Hello. Down. How you going?
I'm not getting no joke. I want thing me have to tell you no more flexus. Me now put my hat in my hand down, take it down. So if I tight me up, tight me wear.
Me understand. Alright, tell me something. You're the body basic. Well, you what now? We want a gardener boy, you see? A yard boy. We don't want a circus acrobat.
You can't call me that. You can't call me that, master.
Hey.
You see, me's a good yard boy, you know. You see, me hate so you look at yard boy and see me say you.
Hey! No, you can't hear me a look at you.
Oh, I'm not ready.
No. Don't say you hear say me a look at you.
I don't mean what you mean.
Because if you look at you, boy, I don't look you.
Oh, hold on there. Then I will not get intimate. I will not talk about look. I want me to look.
Oh! That's a difference.
You know, sir, me know why this is for me to me look up, sir.
You know, I disrespect you.
Yeah, you know. Me can look the work, you see? Me don't have me use that at church, you know. And me say you have the work and me can look it.
All right.
Don't talk to me and talk to me good ears, sir.
Well, I want somebody who can weed the grass, till the soil and plant a few seeds.
And me that, man, and me that. That's a me. That's all like a me. Hey, my sister, me use that work with some people from town, you know. And me I tell you, they love it. Hey, you spend time me working on the day? We don't go do overtime in the night. Hey, we do overtime in the night with the boss wife.
Hold on, you do overtime in the night with the boss wife?
Yes, man. And the boss find out fire me kaka.
Fire you?
Yes, man.
See what?
Because you tell me I do overtime with your wife, sir.
That's a damn fool, man. He is a damn fool. Imagine.
It's about fire in the house, you're about fire.
Darling, this gentleman, him work hard, you see?
But him cutie!
This gentleman, him come to look the world. Himself was working some people in Kingston, some nice, decent people. But in the night, him do overtime with the boss wife. And the boss fine. What a damn fool man that is.
You tell him to can do overtime with me? Oh, me have a lot of work to be done.
Because darling, you can't bother overtime with the phone.
Yeah.
Every time you want me move this, you want me put this, you want me shoot that. No, me can't. So you know me at the church business, but do
Yeah.
sometimes you move and push and push.
Yeah.
Yes. So anything you want, you can interview him.
Yeah.
And anything you want, he.
Yes.
You hear?
Yes.
Anything you want, he.
Yes. Anything you
You
want.
hear? Any God Almighty thing, he.
Yes.
Make sure you know.
Yeah, man.
You make sure. You hear me?
Yes.
Anything he wants, he. My friend, you hear us, darling? Look for the man. You see? Anything he wants. Here? Anything he wants, he.
Put down the
Me like?
Yes.
Me never let my life.
You must see my feet. Let's press it down for a while. Oh. Well, your belly kind of look puffy. You look like you have worm or something. But don't worry about that. Me give some herb, yeah? All right. So just stay right there. Stay over that side. Where you like to start work first? Inside or outside?
Anyway,
I think you should start working inside first because you have a lot of things inside to do.
no problem, no problem.
You have all your tools ready to work?
Me?
Yes.
Me never left my tool, ma'am. Me have me cutlass, me tongue, me teeth, and me penis.
You sound like you're ready to work right now. Just give me a few minutes, yeah?
You ready to work in the man? You want to work?
You can't keep a secret?
Me?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Me can't keep a secret, man. Hey, me can't keep a secret long until me ready to start.
Listen, I want to know if you can keep a secret. Not tell nobody at all.
No problem.
Hold on a second. You see when rain starts fall and nature starts fall, you want somebody to come tear down the wall.
But it ain't easy, man. Imagine me not even coming at 2 hours good yet. And you want to juice me already? Not tell me the mask first of Diana make you dehydrated. Come on.
It's not us.
It's what?
It's not us.
It's what?
It's not that I am always here alone.
Oh, Lord.
And when my husband come on the door other than dance for me.
Oh, Lord.
If only just come up and touch the bed.
Oh.
And I am a lonely girl.
Oh. All right, Miss Clem, me ever did a play 24/7. Man, because I look like I want good money, you know.
Yes.
Ever did a play 24/7, man. Don't worry, yeah?
You know them boy have a saving a dance hall.
What kind of saying that?
Yeah, man. Them people string up the lawn and all of them sit there. We have string up sound in a lawn. You never hear that sound? Well, darling, me no want no string up on a sound in a 2 dub plate. No, you can't give me 2 dub plate.
Anytime.
And come and
Well, Miss Clem, it's like how you get me dangerous and serious. You can't always phone for me with total satisfaction.
mercy, man, mercy, mercy. I'm coming. I'm coming. I said I am coming. What is it you want?
Me can't talk to you a little bit, ma'am.
thing about that, I have to do that.
What kind of training did I have, man?
Hi, lady. You see, you just come inside here. Don't pass in my business.
I ask pardon, ma'am. I never mean to hurt your feelings. Stop. That ma'am, you all right?
Of course I am supposed to inside.
I make you slide and wine, sir.
No, really?
You're sure you're all right, ma'am?
Of course you're all right. You see me look at something to me? Me just have a little touch of the boil.
Wine! Hey, you see when me didn't live a country, mama, me a boil, my granny used to look put pepper leaf on it.
Darling, not tell you the truth. No pepper leaf can spark against the boil when me have. So what, where you come from?
Me, ma'am, I don't have what penny no. But me, I still some people don't have town. I try find a work to send myself back to school.
Oh, you can't wash, cook, clean and then something there?
How you mean, ma'am? You see me? Me's a domestic engineer.
Well, young lady,
Yes, ma'am.
the ads in the paper never said nothing about domestic engineer. We say a household helper.
They're not the same thing we do, ma'am. The only difference is that we use a computer.
Me put from top man. You use a computer.
Yes, ma'am.
You see if my husband never hear you. He would have laughed at that till him pop up. Darling, me don't know about the engineer thing. But I want you. You can't wash, cook and clean and then something.
You tell her that, Mr. Ma'am.
Make sure you know.
I tell you, because hallelujah, hallelujah, yes, amen. Is this a new one to baptize?
No, it's not a new one to baptize. It's just that should come about the job.
Combo job?
Yes.
You combo job?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what can you do now?
Me's a domestic engineer, sir.
What? Well, what you say?
A domestic engineer, sir.
One minute, I want to fart.
No, sir.
From I was born out of my grandmother's pianist, that's the first thing. Hey! No, from, say it again, domestic war. Well, darling, this is not a mechanic shop, do you hear? So if you want engine to pull, check with Barbie.
Me not like people laugh at my profession, you know, sir. Me study hard feet, you know. Me not just only go help a girl, sir. Me's the domestic engineer. You see, last year, sir, me was a household technologist.
Okay.
And me do one test on the computerizer. And me talk with instructions.
Yes.
So you see now, sir, me's a full-fledged domestic engineer, so if you call me with respect.
Hold on. You pass with destruction. So the computer mash up.
Let's start.
Why? No, why? That, eh?
Listen to me.
Hold on there. Oh, you're watching. No, then listen. How you our son. Clear me. Me say, how you our son.
I have a pile. That is why I'm walking like this.
You have file?
I have pile.
All right. You come on up and start water for it.
No worry with that. Me have figure heads to deal with it.
Yes, you always depend on your grandmother to do everything for you.
Because she's older and wiser. What do you expect me to do?
All right. Go to your grandmother, no? So domestic mechanic.
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
The young lady said,
Yeah.
domestic helper is a long time, so.
All right.
So call her with respect.
All right.
You hear me? And she seems to be a nice young lady. So take her. All right? Take her, man.
You mean it?
Yeah, man. Take her.
Take her.
Yeah, man.
All right.
She's a nice young lady. Take her.
All right.
All right?
You remember, you said take her.
Yeah, man. Take her.
Take on. Well, so domestic engineer. Whatsoever were your name?
No, sir, you're wrong. Not whatsoever. Me name Melita. Melita Brookwood.
Well, listen up. You can't get the work. No, you can't get it. You go find somewhere else and go look the work, you see? Find somewhere else, go. Find somebody else wood for Brook. Look on Brook finish. So wait, you run now?
No.
What a lazy bitch. So you want to work?
Yes, sir. Me I beg you work, sir. Do.
What?
Do. Why?
Say it again.
No, sir, sir. Me I beg you work, sir. Do.
Aye. Come. 1, 2.
2.
Oh, boy. We don't know if it is. I don't know if I shall get over. Me no know.
But my man says something on your wife if you take me.
My wife said we take you. You know what? Pass the phone to him and call me. Ask him if it's a good thing. Pass the phone to him. And think I'll be my good friend. Because every... Why, no. When dogs the push, they must bow. Tell me something, all of that of you.
What, sir?
The whole of Slipen Road of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Happy me, no. Master Scott. You can't get some if you can't manage it, you know. You want some, sir?
If me can manage it. If me can manage it. And if you want some. Ask me again.
You want some, sir?
Hey! Ask me again.
You want some, sir?
Yes, you want it.
Master Scott. You're sure you can manage it?
What do you mean?
Me ride rough, you know.
Oh, you mean that me can manage it? Of course me can manage it. Boy, listen. You say if Dicky can't manage it, me near me. I tell you something. Listen to me. I want you to listen to me good. You see, if it is good, you drive the Beamer. Hey, you say for my wife? For my wife, you know. Or the Lord, I make you drive, you know. We can't make you drive the Beamer. Must scratch you up. For you, hey, if it's the Beamer or the Benz, it's you.
Aye! That's all like Pascal, who shots in a Timmy, who shots in a.
What's your
And that me like, you know. Me love when man wreck them waist and use them face. No, that's all of that one, no. Me get the work, sir.
If you get the work, hold on, tell me something. I want to claim the gun.
Me no know, sir.
I want to. Well, on it. Claim it. I say claim it. Oh, she must have slipped out.
Me no know she gone. She never passed here, sir.
Claim it. But you're not gone yet. You're not gone yet.
See, I go to the clinic, man. Look here.
Eh?
Let me ask you a question. We can't draw $20,000?
Draw 100,000. You don't know if you have no checkbook. Just go to her bank and tell him, Sammy.
Come here.
Tell me all right, man.
You sure you're not guilty?
No.
20,000.
What's trying to do? I say I can't drive 200,000. Just go to the bank. Tell me.
Tell me again, my man.
All right, go on. Tell the bank man that me send you.
Yeah.
Hey. They might lock up your clock down there. Take your fat boom boom catch me. You get the work, eh?
Me get it.
Mm-hmm.
Me get the work.
Come on, you get the
Me
work.
get the work. Me get it.
Woo! Do right. All right. Get up your lazy bum, boy.
You have rules, sir?
Now that you get the work,
Yes, sir.
I have some rules.
Let me hear them now.
No, I'm a Christian man. You know, I'm a preacher. And in hell, Satan has rules. So, I mean, as a preacher, I must have rules in my home. Rules number 1, when I talk, no woman bow. Rules 2, no man must be seen in the yard except me, because me are the only man in here. No man must come to you.
So want to be baby father, sir?
Baby father, your backside. Who's baby father? It could be your baby mother. The only man must come here, and if you're dead, and a undertaker come for the body. And again, another rule, when I ask you for it, you must not say no. Because if you say no, you may go. And you don't try to resist it. You hear me? You must give me anytime you want it. Every day and twice on Sunday. Eh?
Let me ask you a little question, sir. How the salary I got, sir?
Salary?
Yeah.
I'm not here when I'm in pocket when Friday come.
That's the one not name there, sir.
Then me, you know what you.
Me not work out no.
Alright, listen. Woman pay a man no fees, you know.
Me not pay no man for nothing.
Well, anything me have left for the collection, I'm not give you. No problem about that.
One next question, man, question. I want my room there, sir.
You are?
My room.
But that way, you still can. Your room, you be out there. Alright. Me ask you a question. You hold house, yeah? Me ask you a question again. Did you help me build house, yeah? No, you be her room, yeah? Not even my wife have a room, eh? My wife sleep in my room. You hear me? She don't have a room, so you come and ask for a room.
So which part me I go sleep, sir?
Well, that's a different thing. You sleep in a yard boy room.
Yard boy, sir?
Eh?
Them in a think that you is the only man inside here.
Dear media. You don't know the difference between a yard boy and a man. Me is a man and him is a yard boy. Simple.
Them ancestors. Suppose it touch me in the night and don't lead to big bashment.
You're mad? You're really mad? Bashment? That lead me to another rule. Thou shalt not make no man touch you nor caress you, nor do anything that I would want him to do, or else I'll kill you. If you know what?
Kill me.
Test me.
Test you.
Test me, no?
Test you. Test you.
All right. Go and go put it
I wish you not room them, sir.
That one.
All right.
Hey, should I be? Boy, he's one of the best. Out of all the help for them, I have up that boy, you look like you can work on the best. It's one thing going on. You see me? You see, if my wife ever in dream say she has sex with another man, she have to run away before she wake up.
Where you going to run away, sir?
You must run away.
Tell me not just for you say you going to run away.
Me? Run away? No, I mean I run away. Love. Hey, 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 to the next move.
Yes, sir. Which time does it start work, sir?
Well, which part of it start work?
Yeah.
Step in my room.
You mean into the master bedroom, sir?
Darling, into the master bedroom. Step in my room. But you never know baggy. Yes, you no, I take time, no man. I take time. Rice of mercy. Well, mind you go down to put it on my feet.
This a pastor, yeah? I hide my bear in the church. Me say the day feel sick with ever bust out is a day.
Hey, wait. Hey! What will you tell like you want me card?
I want some, man.
What you want? What you want?
Anyway, what you want to do up here?
Me walk up here.
So wait there.
When you want up here?
Let me ask you something. Some asbestos slap here,
Yeah, idiot. Me come up here to walk me neck, come up here to slap her.
By the here.
You used to work up here? Well, I don't know, Pop Story give me no liar. But me want to hear a little more about the people, them, like my sister and Miss Clemmy. Tell me about them now.
Well, I'm alright. I'm alright.
Then back to the slapping thing. Festus did slap you.
Well, yes. He slapped me, yes. But never me the one see, you know, because I need a little money, me don't.
Me understand how you want top thief, so you take your money thief. So what was it? Lord, Mrs. Me never got sign language. Talk to me, dear, talk to me.
Say, Melita. He daddy.
Is he dead? He dead?
Where you got that?
Mister, if he dead, me ask you, is he dead?
Me believe you.
He dead?
Yeah, man, he dead, you see, man.
Then between me and you, know, me not tell nobody the yard boy did slap you too. Me feel it, and I know me. Me understand along with the fire.
At least, he better than my ancestors dead since.
How true? But you're lucky, do you know? You're lucky. You can't walk a come work and make Festus and yard boy saka you. Festus has to respect this every time.
Come on, darling.
But missus, from me born a whole and a she would until now. Me never see none dead so. Me say, all the mass me and master me and sarge. Me mass, me sarge, me master. Not the hell Festus to the rise to the occasion. Anyhow,
And then you're fast. Where you saw you gonna read still?
me a little mix up the gear. The first day me come in here, you see, me see the wife a walk up. I mean, ask her, walk to her. And she tell me, say she a wild. Then when the husband come now, the husband say, how you face her, missus? She said she a pile. But missus, me know some of the dark country and people are wild. Are they a pile? What's to the pile? He usually in the body. But see her kind of walking look like see her pile to carry in the pony. No, some serious thing to pack it and go another house and me have to go hang on to the little work. Anyhow, a time for you go on. You're doing nothing, you go on.
Boy, I pay back time now because what? You can't pay back the all of them things that what you do me. Trust me. If you don't want to.
You're alright, tell me, Joe?
The cool man, me just have to let the papa press us boy just go around and just use people girls with me, you know. It's like for me and your friend.
Hi. Hold on your friend thing. Your teeth, man. Hold it down.
It's like for me and your brethren. Me have a reason to come up here, sir. You know what? I'm tired to see a man here.
Girl, I'm Rock Marley. You're pretty, but you're friggin' thief.
and I man never say cow. I say yo.
Oh, and listen, one more thing. Now call me no sister. Call me no know your father, me and a brother and a sister. You want to talk? What is it you want?
And I man would like to talk to I and I queen.
Oh my dear, I'm so sorry. This is not Buckingham Palace.
Yeah, I know, understand Rasta, you know. I and I man queen named Melita. So I and I don't like to talk to her.
Oh, Melissa. Sorry, my dear child. She said that she was a domestic engineer. She never said anything about being a queen. Anyway, she's not here at the moment. Would you like to leave a message for her?
Blessing, sister. You can't just tell her so right now.
Hold on a minute. You're going back with the sister argument again? What is the message?
Just tell her so right now. I and the youth kind of all want to see her. Because right now, the youth want titty.
I see. So why you not give the youth titty?
You want to right now. I and I milk done. See? So right now, I and I can go to the doctor, you see me? Go to Drummond Street and Charles Street and Beeson Street and Princess Street corner. And it's like the doctor try to show us right now. The itals to a kill him. But the Rasta I man can't cook nothing else, see?
So that is the message?
Yes, it's true.
All right, when she comes. Anyway, when she comes, I will tell her, yeah? So what is your name?
I'm a name Jeremiah. When you see her and I Queen Lovi, she just call I Jerry on a short term.
Yes.
So I love you, here's the street.
Me love you, here's the street. And I want you love me. I want man, me want love me and a joy. Cause I am alone that sing song in a my synagogue.
What's the problem?
No problem.
You're on the club.
Of course I'm okay.
What?
Your lips on mine are soft as dew. Your kiss is so divine. Your eyes are like the skies of blue and stars that brightly shine. Your voice is sweet like violins and warm like summer days. I love you, I love you, I love you, and oh, so many.
It look like night time in Rana. Anyhow, who can't continue, me love the choreographer.
Listen, I was just showing Joy how to dance those old time hits. I love you, I love you. You know what I'm really know them things there?
Yeah, man, not two man.
Anyway, I was just here trying to give you a message.
What?
Your king call.
Jerry call up here?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not send me up here. I'll give me number.
Anyway, me go inside. Here, me too.
Down. Boy, you're the problem.
Oh, if you tell me everyone, keep me.
Aye.
Country boy.
Thank you.
Gorilla boy.
It burns you.
Why not the Harris turtleneck? And the stripy bellas.
But what you know? But what you know? But this nasty girl here. Nasty girl. What you know? What kind of nasty girl? Now stop with me. Now stop with me. What are you here? Rubber steel.
Hey! I mean, can't exert yourself, sir.
No, you come and make me exert. No, Lalo, you come in like a harpy. You know time is best. Love me, love me.
Lady, please. Me know you can't trace.
Galang
Before you have more than 3 tons.
Yes, sir.
Or you say you can't see back them save a traffic jam.
No problem. Then stop no traffic for you, so kiss me.
Me think it's Give me kissing time.
All right,
Give
Sophie.
me kissing time.
Yes, Sophie.
Yes, the harder the tighter.
Yeah, that is right. Galang.
You know one thing I have to say to you, you can top check the boss.
What do you do? Yeah. You see me? You see me?
Me to you.
Second time, you know. Yeah, one, you leave me alone, you know.
Me to you.
Oi, after the last rocky time, you know, Mel. Leave me alone.
Me to you.
Oh, I like that, go, you see me. You know, see me alone.
You think you're coming here from church, you know? And what type of food I love divine and what is coming like
All
this?
right, then. No problem. No problem, man. You see me. You think me never see you? You think me never see my first of a star you?
Lie!
Lie? How many see my sons of a
Smash down those lies! I lie! You see me?
All right then. Stand up and watch that. I can call Miss Clemmy for you. Because you're going to like that money from there. All right.
Galang! Whose friend are you on Dirty Clemmy?
All right, Sophie. Quite so Sophie. No problem. Mister.
You chat too much, man. Come on, yourself.
Hello, sir. You shouldn't stop me. Because me no ramping up.
No better talk, man.
Oh.
No better talk and we will pay you.
Give me no. Let's go.
When weekend come and me get me paid.
You're rotted, man. How will you hear that? You never hear the good saying. Crime stop. Solving crime. Hey. You never hear that? Oi.
Me hear it.
You-
Me hear the same.
You
But
know-
me never hear them charge nobody to give a man to go boom boom.
Hello,
Me
sir.
never hear them lock up nobody to make a man nyam them.
Oi. You know, say it's me, they go tell Miss Clemens. You know much money me get? How you did that rent you for thinking, sir?
Hey, you want the number? Call them. 0888991 and dirty boy.
You know. All right then. Oi, if you can't pay me cash out of your pocket, that's it. You have to pay me kind out of your pocket.
You're mad.
But what you? You know, ask me mad. Yes, me mad. See that? Me mad.
Yeah, big man pussy. Yeah, you to me a walk on and give a big front to whosoever will they come.
So what on there? You still upon the offensive side? Stay upon it.
Alright.
What? You know? Come on, man. Set up and get up, man. Set up and get up.
How you come and turn up a phone so fast?
Well, on there. You still not come to the agreement?
Let me have you one little piece.
You do what?
Let me have you one little piece.
All right, let us come back.
Hey, Joey, I want thing me have to tell you, Joey.
Go on.
You see if you're dead, funny, tell the police them say you hold me and check it.
No, boy, stand up, brother. Amen. You see, if me dead pan it, it's got to take a miracle.
Mister, I want to do.
I will you, man. Let him, man.
Aye. I'm going to dress up. Wait, are we in the moment? I'm in ready to help her.
No, you, man.
Minister,
You know what?
You're lying, Minister, woman.
You know what?
Eh? Mr. Behavior. Well, me and you. Now appreciate this, Senegal. Look at me show.
Look at my shot.
Me and my boy. Look at me show.
No, let them shot us to point fire away.
Fire you, not me.
So you got the right thing now?
Boy, listen to me now. You know when I take, I can't take no more. And me know. Let go off of me.
Let go power.
Boy,
I'm mash up in today.
yes, yes, I'm today. Me is a DWD. Yeah?
What that mean?
Me is a DWD.
What that mean?
Gardener with distinction.
So, well on. Let go.
Let go. Let go.
Check it out. Go inside.
Let go.
I don't want you to.
Let go me.
Inside.
Yes, yes, go inside.
Inside.
Let go inside.
Inside.
Yeah. Come here. Don't run them again.
Hear me now. You see, I've done to them. I've done to them. You must respect me, yeah? You hear me, sir? Sir, you must respect me.
Oh, so that's because you want to respect what you're ready, man.
Oi, shut up your mouth and listen.
But how are you?
No, you aren't give me too bad in there now. And Minister said me can't take it no more. Minister said me can't take it no more. Let me ask you one good question. How much money there?
No one?
How?
No you!
Selassie I pick me. Seen Jason there. Peace to the Most High. Yeah. Rastafari. Ever living, ever faithful. Yeah, man.
Gloria, speak to the Most High. But you can't stay here.
Say, I know nobody told this year. I come to take my key back with
It's my asbestos if I catch you in the Jerry. My asbestos that I chop you over.
Yeah, I come out the road and I think I have some people and them are trying to shirt, so instead of Pastor Boy, I want dangerous brother. Why not afraid for the boy?
And you, Jerry, what you want?
I come to talk to the eye.
Then talk now.
How things are, everything, Chris?
Yes, everything, Chris.
But right now I want to tell us that the youth want TT.
Jerry, me know that the youth want tippy. But me soon can't give the youth tippy. Go on now.
Mel!
Jerry, Joy, you come high.
Mel!
And I can't hide from Jack. So I don't hide from no boy.
Man!
Yes, boy.
I wear say food name again, man.
Computerized strawberry free gases.
Me can't understand that there, man. Me can't understand that there, man. Me can't rock. Mela water. Christ of mercy. That no look like a rasta, that look like a rascal. Master God.
Blessed, brother, blessed.
Blessed? You see a damn face, that tough fender? Man, how him?
A Rasta picnic.
Oi! Oi! That no look like a rasta business. That look like a monkey business.
I'm a baby father.
Are you?
A baby father.
Man, are you doing for that? Well, man, you don't need to blow your bed down low. God, I'm great, man. Hey, man, take him out, eh, no?
I'm about to blew me this thing for.
You better take him out there because Boston and the red mark first of all, get him and chop him. Oh, monkey! Monkey! Hey, man, when you have the monkey there, you not kill him, kill him out. Monkey! Hey, man, what? Man, what do we use now the spoon? The spoon, the fork, or the computer?
Use the fork.
Oh, now I use the fork. I have fork in my brother, don't get down in here. Monkey!
Pack up the sitting them and come. I not let you up.
Me come by weekend.
Alright? I simply await from there. Faithfully, patiently. As you know Rasta. Rasta peaceful smarty. We no go around and make trouble. So here we are. Just be sure to the eye from here. I await from you. Patiently. You hear me? See?
I used to think that I could not go on, and life was nothing but an awful song. But now I know the meaning of true love. I'm leaning on the everlasting arms. If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it.
Let me know when you are laughing.
the back of years. Eh? Oi! You know only scatter boom. You scatter boom. Yes, all right. You really only one thing for your boss and on your breath. Go on. All right. All right, yes, easy, all that, easy.
Never left here. You see? I'm going to go down the road.
Yes, go on.
So I must get to down the road. You see me can't do now. You just make one bump, me feel for you see, come bumberize your bumbo.
Kiss me out. Go on, you want a transplant? Put your mouth where your back there. And your back where your mouth there. Can't leave it shit out of your mouth. Get your mouth down there.
Why are you making so much noise out here?
Move yourself from me. Move from me. How you, man?
So who trouble you going on?
You trouble me. You're dirty life where you live trouble me. You.
Alright, my dirty life trouble you? How come to trouble you? Eh? But why you acting up and going on? What you blame me for? What me do you? What I fear you?
Oh, I'm just not good, you know.
Where
you
am I?
come up.
What the hell you talking about?
I'm talking about you and that girl when you're talking. You think, I remember the damn girl good enough, but you know why me would have remember the girl? Different.
What the hell you talking? Who's your lad? Who's your name?
What's that for the lie, man? You don't know what I'm about? Hey, I saw you.
You saw me?
I saw you.
Why you lie? You saw me?
No, we saw you.
You saw you lie?
Are you lying?
Alright. Who no saw me? Why you your damn lad said no? You think me never them sound like you?
Come on, you haven't broke up your father going in. I can't say no one.
Oh, he found you. Where you found you from?
It's going to be called when God don't kill me, man. Kill me. Call you in there.
Then, leave it by your head. Imagine, you is a gardener. Me trouble you, that's not your function. Don't be pay every week, the grass.
You pay me? Correction, you never pay me.
All right, the wife pay you.
Your wife pay me, you don't pay me.
All right, the wife pay you. The people that pay me if you preach a church. They don't matter what we do. Eh?
What you damn face? You must burn like a back pocket and full of teeth like a...
Hey, you don't tell me where you come from. Hi, you don't make what I do. Trouble you. You need to go.
Wait, trouble me, man. Hey, Master, you know why me talk? Because me respect you why me talk, you know. Master,
They don't respect me.
yes, but you need to broke up this. You can't go along so man.
Broke up what? What do you do? Hey, them get tributes for God. But them can't get me. Them can't get me. You think me a damn fool? Eh? You think me a fool? Hey! Them pay me to preach. When he did a go, at the go-go club, he said, Jimmy, don't go. He said, Jimmy, don't follow tennis and go. And he go. When them catch him and run like thieves, you think they can't catch me? After me no rush, idiot.
There's every day a bucket of our way, you see? One idea about your job. Answer.
But I make it on you. I want it.
So how is the baby? All right. And how is that husband of yours? Okay. Handsome as usual, eh? No, I want him there. I'm just there. All right. And thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Wonderland. That's it, man. And thank you very much. And see you later. How we are going to see you later?
What are you doing? How are you tired? Yes, hello?
Then how you mean? I mean, I'm man. Go in and easy. No life, Wonderland, man.
And it's time for you to get
What goes the progress?
Well, I can't believe it. I am so over.
Hold on.
Joey, I am rotten rich.
You know,
When I say rich, me no mean $1,000, $2,000 you're kind of rich, you know. Me mean real rich.
Oh,
No money rich.
rich, we
Oh,
rich.
Lord.
We rich.
My
We rich. No, me no mean, me say, you rich, we, you rich.
Aye, Joy.
Ah, sorry, you rich.
Wait, me not run them through there. Me not run them through there.
Sorry.
What
You're
is
rich.
speaking now?
You're rich.
Me rich.
Yeah, you're rich.
And Joy,
Me vex, I'm in a rich, me vex.
Joy, brother, give yourself now. This is my turn now, man.
Oh, it's your turn.
Yes. I mean, I tell you, say, no long I've been waiting on this day. I pray and ask the Lord. I got through some preparation and some battering, you know.
Oh, Lord.
Lord, you see that I got through everything that there is. But I come out, hallelujah, as pure gold. Anyway, I'm going inside.
Go long. Spirit moving inside of me. I feel the spirit. Never lazy, never faithful. Yeah, man. Very dark. Yeah. Hey, don't know what? Me have the pastor house for myself. Yeah. Hey, I better just go and play on a tune and do it. Hey, pastor, listen to tune and sing it up.
What are you doing here? I see you look for these slicey hatred. Red hatred. What are you doing there?
Yeah. And I'm on a rasta.
Hey.
And I'm on a worship vanity. And I know you have nothing in your I'm on thief.
Pick up it. If me antique furniture them you brought me for, antique. I don't know why antique you want coming up and thief them up. Let me tell you something. My name is Clemmy Langtime. My husband's name is Festus Langtime. And you don't look like Festus, because Festus no ugly stuff. Because if ugliness was a crime, you know they are prison of the life.
That was true. But anyway, that's not supposed to be I and I man personal problem. I come to talk about I Queen.
You know how much time me hear you talk about this queen thing? You don't look like Buckingham Palace to you.
Well, as you say, you think them are luxurious, so you know the most palace? Yeah, man.
All right. What is your plan? What you want? What you doing in there? What things you coming up with these little bad habits you do?
All right. You want me to get to one point? After I and I Queen there, I want to walk her out. When to get all the things I said, now I get it, and I'm on bed.
Stick up in again. Me never employ your queen. I don't want nothing of your queen. So if you have a problem with your queen, you wait until my husband gets here, then you talk to him about your queen.
Oh, the husband.
Another wife want a sinner. Where you coming out there for? You think I'm in the
Hey, at the ballad, Rasta, the boy quick, and I confess all and sin. See me? Everyone and sin. Yeah.
Me that try to tell him, you chat too much, man, you chat too much. I'm a little baby father.
Oh, something to get me higher. Hey, dirty lies, you sick. What you doing? Huh? Who you come to? Huh? Because something get me high, more and don't why you think you get, right? Huh?
Yeah.
How am I doing?
Him send come to him queen.
You come to what?
Hold on.
Hi, what that I do you?
Me don't like to ask you something. You're a pastor.
Of course I'm a pastor, I'm a
People.
preacher.
Hey, more than like gonna tell me something. Oh, Jack, forget. Them a kind of ball of their power over Rasta, yeah. Jah will never give a power to a party.
piece of old bicycle gonna see you, I would have take jump on it and go on. You don't see me, I beam on the drive.
True.
So you see how the Father blessed me?
Yes, that's true.
Father,
Yes.
I want to try my ride bicycle.
Yes.
So yeah, I'm cool. You smell like peanut trash.
Step by step, the rest
Come on, come on. I'm cool.
Anyway,
Anyway, may I friend?
I know what it come about.
I said leave the place, man. Me say you have to leave.
Rasta not come about that here.
Listen
And
to
I
me,
just
man.
now left until I hear something about I queen.
What do you mean? Say no, left.
And that's I say.
Hold on, me there with you. Oh, you mean you know left? Me there with you? But, alright, if you are breathing, you see, look somewhere to go with the men, nobody coming. But he must go with him, but he not left. Go for you.
Still not get the point. You get it wrong.
Me not take point, they give point.
Well, I want you listen. I not come to tell you about who pregnant from what breed from what gas. I only say, I used to I queen the opia, leave pound of dirty clothes, in queen, and when to forget all I little things I should not get that and I man.
Hold on. So many that queen. But me think she a domestic engineer. Already. Alright, if Melly is a queen, so you are what?
You see on the Rasta plan, we are all kings and queens of the Most High. Yeah!
Hey!
I'm a king.
You see on the Festus plan, this is for me and the wife, the castle. You see? Listen me now. Hear me. All you have to do. I don't know which part you're king and which part you rule, but I'm a ruler son. And all of your plan is only a little piece of shit to leave.
Last year,
You hear me tell you about that now?
them courage to deal with them wicked people here.
How you call wicked? You hear the word called wicked? Me hear it. Me's a pastor, me's a preacher, me's a reverend, me's a deacon, me's a man of God.
Yeah. I just go to church to rob poor people. But hear this. They have a crumple for the wickedness and call them lightning, thunder, and earthquake. It's one who is a set of thief and warmonger.
How you call whore? You catch my woman a whore. Now rank with me, dread. Now rank with me, come here with tree.
Yeah.
You're right.
You go to tell I and I say, woman must keep silent in a Rasta kingdom.
Oh, you run some far to play. Oh, my woman that, and this a kingdom up to me. And when me tell her to talk, chase the boy. Chase the boy.
Before you can't talk to me, why step up in my Santa Barbara and look up in the gates of my life?
I say, as a Rasta and I will faithful. But yeah, yeah, your man live like the young and the restless.
Emmanuel, me is young, and the husband might be restless, but I don't know.
I don't know. Oh, hey, I don't know.
Yeah. We don't have time for you. We don't have time for you. Yeah.
Now you me, come and trace your dirty life, red card red. And when you come in here with your road, you think they're going to run from you? How will they rob you? Now run with me. How you come high for fun? You're not ready, red.
Oh yeah, shut up in a Rasta face.
Look up in anybody here. Do me something, do me something.
Hey, you want to stop telling it to...
Oh, stop. Who?
Hey, see the doctor. Hey, so, let them know, say,
Sim Selassie can't put them back together. Come on, sir.
Yeah. Rasta man come up here peaceful. And imagine, you are going to chop fire for them wicked people there.
But Dread, it's simple. A man has been protecting property. Dead long time. Listen to me now. You see, if I want to play that with my dad, me with God.
I can't play that with me, John, me with nine face. No fear with a sergeant, general, me with step in your face. In your face.
I mean, step in your face, eh?
Yes. I sit up on the right. Me no be I sit up.
Sing it up on the left. I sit up
on the
me not the
right.
high time.
Fling it
Ooh,
over.
yeah.
Where is this coming
The
from?
man of virgin.
Where? Yeah, wait for me.
Yeah, man, boy, in a hot city, man, that's a machine.
He no hot yet. You think he hot? Me I notice you from what day here. Me not get no proper service.
You know, you know what?
Me say me not get no proper service.
She arm yourself, no, man. She arm yourself, man.
Me know why now.
Why?
And because you on the old foot clemmy.
Christ have mercy,
Why not the
man.
one day me just a pick?
Oi. Hi, I'm a Paul Bogley. Say, you know what I'm He's yourself, man. Hey, who yourself?
Anyhow.
Hey.
Yeah, come give me the little slap.
The what?
The slap.
Hey, there's a budget for come catch me.
Who that?
No, it's just my baby father.
Jerry?
Hey,
Jerry
Jerry.
what he do? He's the ball out. Philosophian! Guide and protect I and I. But when it come out to make me moan and groan, Jerry a big fool, trust me. But yeah, come give me
Here, Babylon, give you a ride from country and brainwash you by the time you reach up.
Hey, what is that?
I'm on there a long time, and I hear everything saying I had them so much trust and faith and confidence in the eye. And trust me, let I know.
Oh Lord! Imagine, can you imagine if you don't get born from the black woman and
Don't touch her. Stay away with them filthy and dirty and unclean and stuff. Cut her off and just like that.
But Jerry, I'm gonna shit on the man.
But you look yeah. You know, say it's nothing but a little whore. And by the way, and who you did a call fool?
Fool!
That I said.
I'm telling you, means a fool.
Then a who?
No, not why, it's a fool.
Oh! Joe, who? No, you listen to me, no. Want to know I'm going to look nasty, dirty argument? Please no?
So I wish you know the big stuff. After all, if you know to rock with the
Come on, there I get mad. Yeah, this Rastafari. Hey.
Me know me calm and cool state. Just if you think that you're bad, just backstar again. Say you're bad, boy, backstar again. You better backstar again.
John, if you think that you're bad, just backstar again. No, do I know? You are backstar again. You better backstar again. You don't... Banana, me not blind. Me see that cheat each and rap back there again. Hey, there's a phone of business in a dog fight. So me I left. I am left in. Oh, no, go and go call your man. Call your man.
Why? I'm in a going. Why?
One piece of basket. Hold on. I'm not partying around, sir. Mister, Melissa and our baby father put down a piece of fight.
No, I'm not supposed to laugh over them. Something serious.
No, man, a serious man. Mr. the monkey gave some nick. Me the helper. Mr. Lord, go call our man.
Come back here. Let's go ahead and walk right. Come back here. Because we want to know if Melissa and our monkey baby has caught you for you. Say, who should we call her name?
They're not simple arithmetic that Miss Clemmy.
Come on, she and her monkey baby father that time. She couldn't call her man.
Then how we mean? Well, me tell her to call her man and get you to call Miss Clemmy. No more best talk. How because me don't know what me tell you. Thank you for your part.
Now, look how me treat you, eh? Me treat you good, don't it? Eh? Are you in here, you know, to Melissa, I go on with things with my husband, and you don't come and tell me?
But you know, so me not wrong. Me not wrong, you know. Me do wrong. You see, when time me come and come up, me remember somebody tell me, say, what you see here, let it stay here, or else I have to leave here. All right? Done.
Well,
I rest my case.
I never tell you that.
No, but you don't have to tell me, because you say anything in past that tell me, you tell me too.
Really?
You say anything inside yourself too.
Like him say, me not fear you when weekend come.
But me not run around so they know. Me never run around so they know. I know that.
Melissa!
Yes, it's a real nice, yes. Yes, call her, Miss Clemmy, call her.
Lita.
1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, down, turn around, turn back round. Up, down, turn around, spin around. 1, 2, 3, 4. And
You see how that girl there take me face? You see how she take me face?
Come here, it's a boss, want you.
Hey.
Oi, oi, move your foot on me like body man do. That's a mighty man.
Good, good, Josh. If me run a matter exercise, and me reach as far as you so. No come, me come.
What that thing is, when dish towel turn tablecloth. Baby love, because one little question I want to ask you. Your husband has been an affair?
No!
Don't back to you!
Hey! It's more than an affair. It's a complete circus. Hey! Me may look your husband, you know. Me may look your husband. And him throwing himself from me. He tell me say every helper will walk up here and there with them. The all of them, the all of them.
Hold on there, hold on there, hold on there, hold on there. Let's not look for you until you say every helper when they up. Everyone there.
What?
I can't believe it. That girl I love here. She used to walk up here, you know. And you know, so she really take me on the touch with that girl so good. I can't believe it. The girl stab me through. The girl more tinky so till. Oh, but it's not the girl there. Me can't have a name of myself spoke up here. But I know nothing. And then
Mrs. You know find the tech Karen too. How Karen and Tuavia?
the girl Tuavia?
Yes, Tuavia. But you must have your fast. Are you fast enough? Your husband say you won't learn to bring you up. If you be bringing up on the left, and you be bringing up on the right, and you be high sit down.
Well, baby, let me just give you a bit of information. You see when me ready to fling, my husband done now. And furthermore, me not be fling nothing. Because me no young somebody like when you walk and fling everything there is. Because you see me now, me have the grip and the muscle and me nerve.
I want on the back. I'm in here, come tell me, say, someone talk about, come on. Who coming up?
I am leaving this house.
Yes, sir. Leave Rose Park.
I mean leave how it's far.
You can't let me. How you gonna let me? You can never let me. I tell you, play me long, but you can't let me. Oh, you carry on to me.
Yes, sir.
No matter what me do.
Yes, sir. Fingernail glue. Me glue to you.
Yes, you're damn right, you glue to me. Anyhow, when I drop this on your phone, nobody will leave you. You hear me? What did you say about that? How you know it? How you know it's like that? Me try it for you. Hey, darling.
You don't know how I feel now, you know.
Darling, I said, Tennessee, give me some number. And I put them together. I check the years the waste about this. Is the boy, the number look good. Hard on panel, go and buy. Boom! I lick it, man. $30 million win the lottery. $30 million!
Let me ask you something.
Yes, dear.
Quote that figure be against me now.
$30 million.
Lord have his mercy, I feel dizzy.
I know you hold it.
Ooh,
Well, you can...
$30 million. But Festus, what you do with that the money then?
Oh, you mean me not put it in the bank, man? Of course, not the bank.
So that means you open one next account.
What's that? You know, sir, me and the government no problem with that.
Yeah.
So me can't put nothing in your name.
Oh.
So me not put nothing in your name.
Well, is there a doctor in the house? I feel dizzy.
You mean, all right, baby, no mind.
Woo! What on there? You put the money in my account?
Yes, darling.
My name in your name, honey. I think this calls for a celebration.
Yes.
A celebration.
Yes.
A celebration. A celebration.
You don't see nothing. It's what you're not sure what you don't see.
Aye, little girl is $100 you want? Beg it and go buy a back suit and this is all the money. A man them beat you for that suit. Man, them beat you.
Leave me friend alone, Miss Glenny. You trying to bother with me, you know? Come in definitely never send me both your tongue in a dry mouth.
Say what?
Leave me friend alone.
Hold on, tell me, boy.
She not tell a lie. She not tell a lie.
Wait a minute. I want to know, you see? What about the tongue in a jaw now? How it goes?
You see,
Hold on there. The neighbor said, oh, I know you're about to have his tongue. All right. All right. Me understand. I know you.
me go down, me go to the clinic. Me did, my friend, when I go to the clinic, doctor, they give me an injection, and it make my tongue heavy. So me ask you to look and it don't, tell me.
Me know a lie.
I'm a lie.
Me know a lie.
My friend not tell a lie. She stop tell lie up to your
Oh,
thirsty.
yes, my wife. My wife can never do it like that. You understand? Someone not can use for her, but me know my wife not do them something. Can you never let me down?
My Festus.
Eh?
Fear case name.
You for my case?
Me definitely never send them with fear tongue in America. So what did we then? I'll try something to find a mean.
Listen me now. They come here the other day and she and her gentleman are five. So through the man come from her mouth, she said, look at her mouth.
Yeah.
I made her a fun and cool. I like man, you know me never do that. How me never do that? I would never do.
No look for me, no look for me, you know. No look for me. No look for me.
Oh, hi. Joe, me and you, there. I'm going to tell you all the while, say where you see here, make it stay. I suspect you. You know, I suspect you.
You know, you know.
I suspect
Who got the keys? And it's very important. Now, it's kind of complicated. Remember when it just me? What me look at?
No matter if we get back.
All right. But look, it's all about you and me. Like right now, I'm telling you to feel like a man. Feel like I'm doing the right thing where a man I do. It's telling me really carefully and the whole lot, you know. Yo, it's all about you and me really safe, you know. Me not like to see your money where you have. You could have your bag of million, me not like to do that. Me like to know who you is. Alright? And regardless of where, me never want to say, me not business with that. Miss Kevin, look. Me have so much things to tell you that me can't tell you in my own words. You know what? I'm going to play your song. Listen.
For all those for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love lost in you, I'll be ready to thank you. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall.
Fine. Tell me something. Away and with that.
No, not like that.
Clean it, come on.
Do I look my fool?
Clean it. No, maybe Makita.
Simsima, who got the keys to my bimba? Who am I? The girls them sugar.
Mary, with all the money we have on the several house, the cost them for 3 church, we just decide to not be in a church, in a town, we can't do it.
Well, thank you.
We can't do that.
That's just my love.
Tell me,
That's just my former love.
how are you?
Here are the divorced people.
Say what?
I am no longer your wife. And the next time you are going to address my man over there, you call him by his name, Joseph Valentine.
Hold on, you're not here right. You what? You man?
You've got a hearing problem? Yes. Festus, nobody act up yourself, you know we beat you to Crosby. Come back over here. Listen to me, man. You do me a lot of things and I do.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that's all well on. No, me. Yeah, man, in there, tell about me. Ah, yes, sir.
No, mister. Say, where is it? You give me everything? You mean you give me all that?
Well, the long and short of the story is this. The bima is not yours. The houses aren't yours anymore. The church and everything that you possess, up to the $30 million, is mine. You don't want to pay any tax. The government now look to me. I am a housewife. Nobody not know me. Me never pay tax now, nothing from the day me man. From me, my team, and even know what it is like to go out the world. Everything is in my name, so everything belongs to me. Me and me alone, because it is in my name, everything in that house. You know, you think I got a wickedness you do me best, though? I'm a sit down, I'm a take it, eat. Oh, you feel like Bima. I'm me sweet, come and feel like right louder. You're out the order.
Really? Come on. Jeremy, please. You know me not like when you're balling now.
I think I can feel that there's something wrong. You've been the sweetest part of my life for so long. I look in your eyes, there's a distant light, and you and I know there'll be a storm tonight. This is getting serious. Are you thinking about you or us? Don't say what you're about to say.
Everything. MCI came, MCI. Where we have a French class for?
You forgot to me, you got front to the reggae boys.
Oh, you have a friend? Darling, you know Kingston? Well, that's the furthest you can go.
Hold on then. Me didn't leave one letter from yourself to Miss Clement. She find it?
I feel me see there.
I see you?
Yeah.
Then I did my Clementine long time.
A divorce paper.
Be who?
Divorce. Clement divorce me.
You mean Sir Clement left you?
And the same thing she left me.
Oh, gosh. You know what yourself do, your man sister? Fix up yourself, but you are to give me ticket and we are going to France.
Eh?
Yes.
All
But
right.
my sister, you have to go learn little like French too, because when you come there, you have to go chat here.
Shut. This is how we are talking.
You want to hear little when you learn?
We are talking.
Bonjour.
What that mean?
Good morning.
Yeah.
My sister.
Eh?
On a serious note now,
Eh.
130 million.
You remember a while ago? You remember a while ago I said Clemmy went? Well, the 30 million went also.
So one to the house, the land and the car.
Well, darling, if I should tell you that the beamer also went, and the house shortly soon went.
You mean that she gone with me, Bima?
That was.
Any of my sisters? Me do I would should I tell her the next line when me learn?
Wait a minute, tell me now.
All right, me learn it from here, but tell you.
Eh.
Avez-vous de l'argent?
Wait a Hold on. Hold on. Where the bastard that is?
Have you any money?
The money went.
My sisters, let me ask you one teeny tiny question.
Eh.
How long you going to stay up here?
Then I must be you, dear.
You must be mad.
Mikey, and I buy her ticket when I want no ticket from Bush. Trust me.
Jerry, you
Yeah.
come back and you come with your dulce.
France time. France.
Jerry, you know something never know you come back after all what we do to you.
Trust me, that was before I go into the hospital.
Jerry, you going to hospital?
You know?
You got that? That's good. Share this one.
Jerry,
How are you?
I'm not here, Bill.